Okay, we're evacuating Races Point. Talking this video. They kicked us off. They told us get out. So we're getting out. That makes almost the whole National Seashore closed. I'm going to go help people put kayaks back up. Okay, this is kickoff. If you'll notice, Mark there loading up. Jimmy's over here. We're about the last coming off the beach. We've been officially kicked off by the Rangers. Right there. Ranger boys. They kicked everybody off the beach. You'll see nobody's here. Hey guys, here's one you didn't hear today probably, but thank you.
Oh, yeah,
I've had a great time out here. I always do.
Oh, good.
And, you know, this is what it is. So, you live with it. But thank you for, you know.
Appreciate it, really do.
You need to hear that once in a while. I was U.S. Army, so believe me, I understand. There's very few thank yous that come along.
Absolutely.
Take care, guys. Have a good day. So we've been kicked off. Everybody's off of Races Point Beach. It's all about these little itty bitty piping plovers, nesting and all that kind of rubbish. Supposedly there was a nest that hatched, so they don't want us running them over or something. I don't know. So we're out of here. This is Saturday, so I was pretty much at the end of my fishing anyway. My last hit was a charter boat. He caught my line. I thought I had a nice fish on. He caught my line and took it away. I got everything back, but I didn't get a fish, so it's not a big deal. At this point, we got 3 nice fish in the freezer. I got one more shot at it at the end of this month, so I'm not unhappy about it at all. And we're headed over to the Adventure Bound for a moment to say goodbye to my friends till next week, and make sure somebody gives me a ring and lets me know where we're fishing. Kind of sad that it's not sad that it ended this way. I mean, we had a great week, really did. I got that 133 at the beginning of the week, so we had a great week. And I don't know where this nest is that hatched. They said it's on this road. They call this a road, but it's they said it's on this sand trail somewhere. There's a nest that hatched. We saw the turkey vultures, or whatever they are, flying over this area, so it's very possible it is where the birds have hatched. And if the birds are already, all of a sudden too, there's been a huge amount of coy dogs, coyotes hanging around this area, and that's always an indication that these piping plovers are nesting. Piping plovers are nesting and doing whatever they do. Usually they start showing up around the time that the eggs are going to hatch, but they pick off the eggs too. So I mean, they're Animals are pretty smart about food. So, whoa. This road, if I come back in a week and it's open up again, this trail should be in a lot better shape, because the sand will blow over and fill in all the tire tracks, make it a lot smoother. The deeper sand, but it'll be a lot smoother. It's we've been on the beach since about 5 this morning, and it's going for 1:45. So, and there was some nice fish caught today. I just didn't manage any of it. Given a little more time, who knows? But right around the time that the Rangers came and kicked us all off, I would have had to start the backup anyway. So it's not a big deal. But now everything out here is closed. I mean, we can get free of charge now. I can get into parking lots, National Seashore parking lot, and fish out of there if we have to. But I can do that anyway because I'm a senior. So, not a big deal to me. But to my buddies who are all younger than me, that's where they'll probably go from here on in till this is open again, is the parking lots. You get in there free. I think it's $15 for a day pass. So having the beach pass, I guess, isn't a bad thing. I'm gonna let these guys behind me go, because the front end of my Jeep is the coilovers need to be redone, and I can't go very fast. I can only do 10, maybe 15 miles an hour, because I need new coilovers in the front. So I'll let you guys shoot. So we let them all pass us by, and they'll take off. You heard why. I'm due for maintenance. I was told right at the edge of fishing season that my coilovers in the front of the Jeep have pretty much, I don't know what you call it, burned out. They need to be rebuilt. So I have to be kind of careful. There's a lot of weight out on the front end of this thing. You've seen my Jeep a number of times in these videos. It has a cooler. You're talking sometimes 30 pounds of ice, 40 pounds of fish, and the center of gravity of it over those front wheels coming through doing off-road and beats the heck out of the front end of the Jeep. So we're due for maintenance, and we'll get her done in October when fishing season's over and all my tripping's over. She's going to be laid up for a while because they're custom coilovers. So I have to pull it into the garage, take them out, and send them away to get rebuilt, and then get them back and reinstall them. And they'll probably be 3 weeks that the sheep will be laid up, and that's just not going to happen during fishing season. So they told me take it real easy off-roading, which I am. So that's probably most of this video. I'll probably do this all in one video. This will just be a video, me sitting here chatting with you, going through the dunes. So it's been a heck of a week. I don't know what the date is right now, but it's been a good week. This is my I don't know if you saw the little card here, but that's the bird lady's card. So the bird's nest must be somewhere in there that they kicked us off for. That's life. That's how it is. So I'll catch you later.